We are going to see the topic data and information. The data we say it as a input form. Raw facts is called data. The information is the collection of facts which conclusion may be drawn from the input, or that is data. The input of any process or raw material or single unit. The output may be called it as a information. The information is also called product, grouping of data. Data is a collection of values. Those values can be any data type like characters, numbers, etc. The information is the data that was processed, that is the information the human can read, understand and use it. The data will not give any meaningful message because it is the single unit or independent pieces. So from that we couldn't obtain some meaningful messages. But information convey some meaningful messages. Let's see the diagrammatic representation. This is the relationship between the data and information. Here, during the processing of information, always we say it as a input as a data. The processed meaningful output is called information. This is the relationship between the data and information. From this we comes to know how the computer is processing. Without data and information, we cannot do any process. So let's see what is computer. Computer is the electronic device that takes raw data or unprocessed data as an input from the user and process it under the control of set of instructions called program and produces the result, that is output, and saves it for future use. So the data and information is the very important component of computer. Okay. Just you imagine that is the human brain. I am a good computer. Let's see. Computer, the name refers whom? Is it a man or a machine? Who is computer? Before 19th century, the term computer was referred to a human who performed calculations using abacus and slide rules and not to machines. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. The person who performs calculation is called computer. This term was later given to the mechanical devices as they began replacing the human computers. Now you can assume which is called computer. Is it a man or computer? But today computers are electronic devices that accept data as an input, process it and produce the output and store it for future references. So this is the thing we are seeing in the data and information. Let's see the summary. Here we have seen the topic data and information. Now we know data means the input which feeds into the computer. Information. What is information? Which processed by the computer and given as a result. That is output form is called information. The both data and information very important component of computer. Thank you.